Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video on how to geek, I've come with a very special video, and it is about helping you sign up to your Grindr account. So Grindr is the world's #1 app that is being created for lesbian, gay, bi people and different other queer people in order to stay connected with one another and meet up with one another. So if you want to learn how you can sign up for this account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how that can be done, because I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step instructions. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already gone to your app store and downloaded the Grindr app on your mobile device, and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, wait for a certain while until the first interface of the app completely loads for you. So here, I've already been directed towards this particular interface that will allow me to log into my account. But because I'm trying to sign up, I'll have to tap on the sign up button on the top right corner. After tapping on the sign up button, all you have to do is first of all agree to the terms and conditions. So read through and then tap on proceed, tap on accept. And now what you have to do is you'll have to type in your email address over here. So I'm just going to type in my email address in this section. So make sure that you type in the correct email address, because this will be used for your verification purposes. Also set up a password for your account, and then confirm the password by retyping it again, and then type in your date of birth. So here I'm just gonna set up my date of birth really quickly. And after doing this, you can either tap on the option that says whether you want to be sent some occasional emails regarding your account subscription and special offers, and then tap on create account. So here it says that you're almost there. To help them fight spam, please complete the verification step. So tap on I am not a robot. And now what you have to do is you'll have to complete this process. And after you do that, wait for a certain while until Grindr asks you to access your location. So tap on allow, and then you also have to give in your phone number. So here I'm just gonna give them my phone number so that a code can be sent to my phone number. And now I'm just waiting for the code to arrive. So here it says that a 6-digit code will be sent to my device, and it looks like I've already received one. So now all I'm gonna do is use the code over here. After doing this, tap on the verify button, and here it says that your account has been verified. So tap on OK. And after you do that, wait for a certain while again until the final processing is complete, and then you will be directed towards your own Grindr account. And then when you are on Grindr, you can always communicate with individuals and have a lot of fun. It's also a very safe space, and if you're considering making your account here, do make sure that you do it. So this is basically how you can sign up for your Grindr account. I hope that this video has been of help to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.